Hey, peace family, what's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If you want to learn how to make money with Cash App and use your stimulus check to give it a boost, stay tuned.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Hey, peace family, if it's your first time here, my name is Cornez. I talk a lot about entrepreneurship, making money online, and most importantly, I have a lot of videos talking about business funding, getting funding for your business, starting your business, and getting business credit. If you're unfamiliar with that, please click this link up above, and I'll show you step by step how to build business credit completely for free, and I'm going to keep updating information as this channel keeps growing. So if you're into that, please share, like, and subscribe. Okay, now let's get into this Cash App. So there's a lot of different people right now coming into this digital space trying to figure out how to make money online because maybe you've been affected by what's going on right now. So I'm not talking about this game that everybody's playing where you put your name in the middle and you're trying to get everybody, you're trying to get enough people inside of the circle to where when your name hits the middle, you get paid out. No, I'm not talking about that. Nothing against what those people are doing. Of course, you want to say, is it a scam? I'm just going to say you got to be careful when you're dealing with anybody interacting with money in any way, form, shape, form, or fashion. Me personally, I'd rather have some type of agreement or contract or some type of established business or reputable person I'm dealing with before I'm jumping into something like that. And honestly, if I'm spending $25, $50, or $100, I'd rather invest into something that's going to give me a continuous return that I can duplicate, that I can scale, and that I can grow. That's something I'm gonna give you the basic foundation for learning today. So let's just get into it. If you don't know what Cash App is an actual app that you use. It's like a digital, it's like it helps you transfer money from one party to another. Same way, similar to a money order, but you know, it's convenient. You can do it from your Apple phone, your Android phone, or your iOS iPhone. And typically to send and receive money is free unless you want to immediate transfers and things of that nature. So let's get into it. All right. So first things first, you want to download the app. So here's what it looks like. It looks like this green Cash App symbol. OK, so one thing I want to do is just show you. You can go to the App Store or you can download it in my link below. I'm going to show you the benefit of doing what I'm doing right now and why I have a link in the description to my Cash App. OK. So first things first, you're going to since I already have an account, I don't have to go through these steps, but you're going to have to put in a phone number or email associated with yourself. And then it's going to send you a confirmation code to your phone. You put in that confirmation code and it's going to ask you about, it's going to ask you your name. It's going to verify who you are, as far as like setting up your Cash App name, your name, and linking a business bank. Linking a bank account or linking a actual debit card to it. So you can do that, or you don't have to link the account to the debit cards, because you can actually use Cash App and you can go through Cash App and they'll send you a prepaid debit card as well. So that's an option you can use as well. So you can see here, like I said, it says add or debit, but what I want to just focus on up here is actually this avatar up here. And I want to tell you right now why Cash App is like, it's a big thing. One, they just got a routing system to where like a routing number, like an actual bank, where you can get the stimulus check directly put into your Cash App to make it easier to use. And that way it can be convenient with your Cash App card. And right now a lot of people are looking to make money, specifically the older people that maybe not be familiar with this online space. You want to actually get their attention in the system with this. Okay. So now that you're here, so I got my name and everything set up. It's an invite friends, get $5 button. I want you, after you get everything set up, you click here, you click this invite friends and get $5. Now it's going to have some contacts and stuff in here. You can agree to have a look, verify your contacts. What I personally like to do is I like to click on this link up here. It's a share button, maybe a little different on Android, but it's an iPhone. It's a share button, and all you have to simply do is click copy. Now, when you click copy, you can go into your notes, or you can go to your text messages. You can go into Google Docs. You can go to something on your phone and click paste. The simplest thing you can do is actually go into your browser and click paste and go. Right? and this works on an iPhone. But if you just want to get the link specifically, go into your notes or send your a copy and paste in your text messages, and just take that the HTTPS link out. Okay, like I'm doing right here, I'm copying this link, so that way I have this link right here. It shows you join Cornez Michelle on Cashapp. Try Cashapp using my code, and when we'll both get $5 when you send $5. So what that's saying is, if you download the link in my description, that when you sign up and you get situated, when you send $5 to someone, then I'll get $5 and you get $5. So you really you never even left $5. You never even lost $5. You know what I mean? So but I understand you say, well, if I'm getting $5, then I didn't make no money. Well, let me share this with you. You will if you duplicate what I'm doing, and I'm going to show you how to take it a step further. So the more people you refer, you're going to keep getting those $5. Now, so this is beneficial because you can use Cashapp to, like, say somebody you starting a hustle or a business. Yeah, put your Cashapp up. Say you're providing information like I'm doing. Guess what? My Cashapp will be down here for donations if somebody wants to give me donations to help promote the channel or things of that nature. So you can do that for businesses and a lot of different things right now. So a lot of people are living in a digital age, and that's one way you can get started. Now, when I say about using that stimulus to actually help build that. Now, I'm not going to get too in depth on this right now, but if you all want me to get deeper and more detail, let me know. I get enough people saying they want some more information, I'll come back and make a detailed step by step, or maybe I'll do like a little Patreon or do a little course. Just depends on how things go. For instance, you want to see right now who are the people that can benefit from learning how to make money online. Right now that are new to it, and like I say, there's an older crowd that may be that haven't used this information. If you walk inside, I know we're doing the social distancing now, but if you're inside, a family setting where there's a bunch of older people, and you say grandma, auntie, sign up for this app, I get $5, so on and so forth. You could do it like that, or what you could do is you can actually build a website. And you can have a video on here like this, just one video, but it'll be just detailed about Cashapp, how to get started, and how to get promote, how to download it, and how to share it with other people. And what you do after you create that website and that step by step in detail, you learn how to use things like Google ads, YouTube ads, or Instagram ads, or just sharing it with people on different social media platforms. But the key is, like, say for instance, because an ad is nothing but a commercial. Say for instance, if I go run some ads on Bing for how to make money online, say this video pops up on somebody's YouTube or something, or somebody's video, or somewhere where you can run your ads at. Somebody's interested on, like, man, maybe I can make some. I would like to make some money online, and then they click on it, and then boom, I'm just showing them step by step how to do it, and then they duplicate that process. So that's something that you can do once you learn how to run ads, and once you learn how to learn your demographics, you learn your target audience, and you learn what's going on with them. Boom. Now you have to figure out a way to provide a product or service that they need. So you don't just have to use this opportunity or this system to just make money with Cashapp, but there are other online apps you can use, and there's other opportunities, and you can actually use this to really be a good foundation for starting your business for different products and services as well. So hopefully I didn't lose anybody, but like I said, if you want a more detailed description about things, then I'll make a video on it. But it's essentially, this is how you make money with Cashapp. All you have to do is refer people. Now again, don't just go blasting it out to people, right? That's not me. I don't like cold marketing. I rather warm leads. So I might post something like, hey, I made $20 a day. All I did was send out a text message, or I made $100 a day, have a video, have a testimonial, have a screenshot. And then when people inquire, or they say, or you say, man, just send info, you want more details, then you just show it to them. And keep in mind, when you're showing people this information, not everybody's going to be privy to it. There's going to be like, oh, that's a scam. But check out my video video I did about the pyramid schemes. I kind of talk about the mindset in that video. So if you're interested in that, go check that out. But I hope this helped you. If you have some hustle in you and you have a phone, you can make money. You can do it for free. You don't even have to use that stimulus. That stimulus can give you a boost if you understand marketing and how to run ads. But even without that, posting free videos like this, and if you post a video every day for 30, 40, 60, 100 days or whatever, and you talking about stimulus and how to make money with Cash App, then you're likely to have some results. So I hope this helps someone. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Where's the money?